Look at this. I feel like I could call this dress like a cathedral bag. It's like very boxy. Wait, I forgot to say, when I say bananas, you say peppers. And I'm gonna forewarn you guys, I feel like I'm in a weird mood today. I feel like I'm in a weird mood. I was like really under the weather yesterday and today I'm just cold. And I tried to film a makeup unboxing for the Beetlejuice Melt Cosmetics collab. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet or not. I'm describing everything really weirdly today. Do you guys ever get like that? You're like kind of in a funk and you don't 100% know why. And you know what? I honestly feel like it's because I was just like recording that video and I wasn't like super like, ta-da, and then there. And like, I feel sort of like a double-edged sword because anytime I feel like I just sit down and just film like I'm talking now, I think people think I'm like mad or angry or like so far as like depressed or something. But then if I'm like always like da-da-da-da, like everybody thinks I'm just like fake and I put on a persona. I swear there's like nothing in between. I'm either like tap dancing and snapping jazz hands, or I'm just kind of like, today is a day. And there's not. Like, I don't know what normal would be. How can I be normal? I'm in a weird mood today, you guys. It's actually Saturday. It's actually the day that you guys are gonna be seeing me upload this video. I'm filming it because I really did want to do Vlogmas this year. So far, so good. I think, is today the 5th day of December? Oh, the fact that I've done something I said I was gonna do for 5 days in a row, you guys. They're about to give me a gold medal for this. But then it's kind of stupid. I know that tomorrow and Monday, I think, I'm gonna have main channel videos. And I feel like it would be too overwhelming to upload videos when I'm already like a double upload day. I haven't done that in a really, really long time. Anyway, you guys, I'm feeling weird. So I'm gonna open this box. I've been saving it to unbox it with you guys. It's going to improve my mood. I'm manifesting that. Have you guys ever tried manifestations? Because I have not, but we're gonna see. If I slice open this box, can I manifest myself a whole new attitude for today? I feel like people are gonna think I'm in a bad mood. I swear I'm not. I'm not in a bad mood. I'm in a weird mood. Anyway, what can we open this? Can we open this Staples box? Ooh, okay, so today we're gonna be unboxing, if you're still here, we're gonna be unboxing another creature. If you guys were here a couple of months ago, I think I called that video like the weirdest thing I ever purchased off of Etsy or something. You gotta have a little mystery in the title and thumbnail, my friends. And I unboxed, oh, here he is. He's right here. Do you guys remember Long Elmo? Oh, he's even kind of like a puppet. You can, oh, there he goes. There he goes. I was like, I know you can make him speak. Speak, Elmo, speak. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, so I felt like he needed a friend, and also there is this Instagram account that I am obsessed with. You guys have to let me know if you're into Furbies and stuff, if you've ever seen them. They are called Long Furby Fam, and they have a whole cast of like original characters that they've made out of Furbies. And oh my god, okay, I have to show you guys this because I bought one of these because I'm such a Long Furby fan. So I bought this guy off of Amazon. Like, I thought that this was something that they made as well, but you can actually buy these fish. So the one on their account is called Freddy, and they like cut him open so they can use him as a puppet. But these are actually like it's to teach kids to brush their teeth. Like, this guy comes with a toothbrush and you can brush your teeth and his teeth at the same time. Why not? They have actually like a whole bunch of different plushes, but they all have these horrifying little sets of like human child teeth. You guys just have to check them out. If Furbies with personalities and fish with human teeth that becomes sentient sounds like your kind of entertainment, then you've got to check out Long Furby Fam. Another one of their characters that they have is this guy. And oh my god. I'd like to think that this is one of the ones that they filmed with, because I think I bought one of the Kermits that it was like one of the first times that they sold this thing. Oh my God. And I don't think I've ever had a long Furby creature with such a spine. You guys, he can do it all. So I'm sure you guys can see this monstrosity is long Kermit. And look at that. What is this? Ooh, he feels like so soft. I don't think I've had one. Like, honestly, I feel like I could just wear this as a demented scarf. So he has like a very cute, soft, like Kermit face. It almost reminds me of like when Kermit was a Muppet baby. Also the sound that this keeps making, it makes it sound like menacing, no? Like, it's warning you of its presence. Also, this is just hilarious that they took the Kermit feet and just put it on his butt. So it's like he's got a tail that extends beyond his feet. But yeah, I don't know why I love stuff like this. I really don't. I think it's just because it's cute and horrific at the same time. So we'll do a comparison. So this is long Kermit. Who's longer? Ooh, Kermit is like way longer. Okay, see, look. Ooh, I manifested myself a better mood. I love it. I love it. I'm in the middle of making my very own long creature right now. I don't know when it's gonna be ready because these things are not easy to make. I think I've even told y'all mine is Teletubby themed, but yeah, I'm excited. Probably next year. Ooh, you know what? I should try and get it done and just like unveil it on like December 31st of this year. Just a great way to bang the year. I don't even know what I'm trying to say here. You guys, do I need to take like a nap? Do I need to take a nap and then start over? I'm gonna take a sip of this coffee. Is that gonna make it better? Do I seem weird? I shouldn't even ask that. Anyway, you guys, I am gonna go take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap and I'm gonna figure it out and I'm gonna come back a new person when you guys see me next on this channel. So yeah, keep an eye out because I do think I ended up doing Fushigi for Graveyard Girl. I don't know why I thought that that would be a good idea. So I think that that's gonna be Sunday's video, and then Monday's video is like a bigger video that I've been working on for like 5 weeks, 6 weeks at this point. So super excited to get that one up. Does anybody else like ever feel like that if you're not in a super happy mood? Like people just think that there's something deeply wrong with you? I almost said, you know, that's the other thing is like just winter just is a soul crushing time. You know, I know not for a lot of you guys. I know when I say this stuff, I know a lot of y'all disagree with me. A lot of people just love like rainy, overcast kind of weather. And whereas you would think I like that because I am a gothic spooky pip, I really don't. Like I've always been a juxtaposition between what is my aesthetic and like what is my personality and like what is my aesthetic, and then like things that completely don't align with that aesthetic. I always wish I could be one of those like disciplined people where I could just pick an aesthetic and then my life is that aesthetic. But I'm not that well put together, you know, because I've always been somebody that like dresses like, especially when I was younger, like super gothic, thick, chunky, black eyeliner, wearing black every day. But then I wanted to constantly be tan, spray tanning all the time. I used to spray tan every other day. That was even when I first started YouTube. So I'm like wearing Marilyn Manson contacts in my eyes and I'm dressed completely gothically, but I have a spray tan. It just doesn't go together, you know? And like my favorite kind of weather, blistering hot sun. I would prefer that, but I also do love fog, wind. Like if there could somehow be a day where I got all of that, where like during the day, blistering hot sun, and then at night like wind and fog. Oh, that's like the perfect day. If I was, is it Evan Almighty? At least one person in my life tell me that I'm too friendly to be goth, and I was like I see. I am like kind of too bubbly for that dish too. I feel like I'm the last person that should even be like making assumptions or saying stuff like this. But I guess, you know what I'm saying? Like that's what people assume. Like if they see somebody that dresses like really gothic or loves like creepy stuff, they don't expect like, you know, somebody that looks like Lydia with the personality of Bubbles from like Powerpuff Girls, you know, but like I don't know. I don't know. I can't ever marry the two. Where am I going with this, you guys? I don't know. I'm gonna leave. I feel like my very presence has to be draining upon your soul today. So I'm gonna go. I feel like I should just sit down for the day, honestly. I've been working on some videos behind the scenes that have been like very labor intensive. And so I feel like maybe that's why I am just kind of tired. But also I want to do stuff. Are you ever like that also where like physically you're tired, but like mentally you're excited to do stuff? Because that is also me today. I'm like, I feel tired, but like I want to do makeup and I want to do other things. So I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm a mess. I'm a mess and I'm at least going to go take a nap. I'm going to go take a nap. I'm going to eat some lunch. I'm going to figure it out. And maybe you guys will see me tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's find out together. Anyway, thank y'all so much for staying during my weirdness and whatever this was. Anyway, if you're not subscribed after today's video, why would you be? But if you'd like to stay, hit the subscribe button down below. Become a member of the Banana Peppers squad. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much. I swear, like I'm scared to even upload this. Like, do not cry for me, Argentina. I'm fine. I swear I'm fine. I'm just like in a weird mood. I'm in a weird mood. And I decided, yeah, sure, film, edit, and upload anyway. Let the world see your weirdness. Anyway, love you guys. Bye. I'm gonna go. I have to stop filming.